Hey, so the Rugby World Cup has been going on and we've been having a competition at work to see who can pick the winner of each match, and it's just finished, and so I've made a trophy for the winner. So it's a rugby ball on a tee. Obviously the winner is Ben. The World Cup is in Japan, or was in Japan, so we've got the Japan rising sun going on there. This was printed in PLA. The rugby ball and tee was printed as one part with a colour change, and then we've got two labels on here that were printed separately. So this was printed as one piece with two colour changes in it to get the three colours on there, and that with two colours. So it came out quite nice little trophy. It's about 2/3 the size of a real rugby ball. So it's come out pretty well. I hope Ben likes it, and I hope maybe it's given you an idea of something you can make for a competition or a trophy for something you've got going on. Thanks for watching.